Big news for every brand and creator, Google now indexes Instagram Reels. Yep, your Reels can now show up directly on Google search results. That means your influencer content is not just for social engagement anymore, it is a real SEO tool that can boost your brand visibility across the web. In this video, I will break down exactly what this update means, why influencer marketing is now more important than ever, and how you can optimize your Reels to show up in Google search. So, what has changed? For the first time ever, Google can now index certain Instagram Reels, especially public ones from verified creators or brand collaborations. This means when someone searches for topics like best skincare products for dry skin or how to style a linen dress, Reels from creators can show up right there in search results. Essentially, Instagram Reels have become searchable video content. This opens a massive opportunity for brands who collaborate with influencers. Your products can now reach people outside of social media through organic search visibility. And that is where platforms like Referwo make all the difference. We help brands find and collaborate with creators who produce authentic content that now performs across both social and search. With influencer content now appearing in Google search, brands have double the exposure, on Instagram and in organic search. This means influencer marketing is not just about engagement anymore, it is about discoverability, SEO, and trust. Influencer content delivers 4x higher click-through rates and 79% higher purchase intent than traditional ads. When you work with influencers through Referwo, their UGC becomes part of your search visibility strategy. You are not just getting pretty videos, you are building discoverable content assets that boost your brand long-term. Now, let us get practical. Here's how to make your Reels show up and perform better on Google. 1. Use keyword-rich captions. Include search-friendly phrases like how to, best, or top tips. For example, how to style sustainable cotton dresses. These captions help Google understand what your Reel is about. 2. Add on-screen text and subtitles. Google's algorithm reads on-screen text. Use captions like morning skincare routine for sensitive skin to boost visibility. 3. Smart hashtags still matter. Use branded and intent-driven hashtags like hashtag #ecobeauty or hashtag Referwo campaign. Avoid generic ones like hashtag viral or hashtag trending. 4. Optimize bios and links. Make sure your Instagram bio links back to your brand site or your Referwo Deals Hub profile. That way, every indexed reel sends potential customers straight to your products. Visual. Show Deals Hub storefronts with influencer discount codes. Drive early engagement. Encourage likes, saves, and comments. Early engagement signals relevance to both Instagram and Google. 6. Track and optimize using data. With Referwo's real-time dashboard, you can track what kind of influencer content performs best across both social and search, helping you double down on what works. Let us take an example. Thread the Word, an Australian brand on Referwo, partnered with over 174 influencers through our platform. Their campaign reached 470,000 views, 185,000 plus engagements, and generated $50,000 in sales, all from influencer Reels that also boosted their search presence. Referwo makes it incredibly easy to manage influencer campaigns that now work across both social and search. Here is what you can do. Find and vet the right influencers. Automate briefs and gifting. Track Reel sales, discount code redemptions, and ROI. Stay visible long-term through Influencer Deals Hub pages. With Google indexing Reels, your influencer strategy is now part of your SEO strategy, and Referwo gives you the tools to make it happen effortlessly. Google's new update is proof that influencer marketing and SEO are no longer separate worlds, they are one powerful ecosystem. If you are ready to scale your brand visibility, generate authentic UGC, and track real sales from influencer content that ranks on Google, it is time to get started with Referwo. Click the link in the description to start your free trial or book a 15-minute demo with our team at referwo.com. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share it with a fellow marketer who needs to see this.